What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be doing a boom and crash analysis as usual, the weekly analysis. So welcome to the weekly analysis for boom and crash for this coming week. Now you'll find out that I've already done for the forex signals. If you haven't watched the video, go check it out. You'll get entry points for our week, this coming week, our swing trades, our position trades for forex pairs. If you are a forex trader, so just check the previous video. The link is also down in the description box below. As usual, before we start, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. As you can see right now, I'm now posting these videos each and every single day. So we have a new video each and every day. So make sure that notification bell is turned on so that you don't miss anything. And as usual, I promised to pick a winner from the comment section, and that winner is already picked. I'll announce that winner on my Instagram, so check out the winner. As soon as this video is done, you find the comment that won and the winner on my Instagram page. Okay, you can also join our Telegram channel, which is our community. The link is down below, and you can also follow me on Instagram for live updates about what is happening at ATG. So now let's get into today's business, which is analysis on boom and crash. How are we going to be trading this coming week, right? So unfortunately, I have a pre-recorded video for Thursday that is going to be describing this indicator that you see right here, and that also has this analysis that we have. So this is a pre-recorded video. I did it on Friday, and I made an analysis that we're going to be coming off from this peak level, and you're going to be starting to push down on boom 500 that you're looking at right now. So this is still valid. You'll also be able to see the same analysis on Thursday when I upload the video, and so don't be worried about the charts moving backwards or something. No, it's a pre-recorded video. I recorded the video on Thursday, on Friday, and it's coming up on Thursday this coming week. Okay, so for boom 500 we're expecting a downward movement because we're coming from this peak level, as you can see right here. You can also take a look at our daily time frame and see what I mean. In the daily time frame, this is what is going to be happening. Let me just adjust something. Okay, looking at the daily time frame, here is what I was able to analyze and see why we're saying we should be taking a short on boom 500. As you can see, boom 500 has been consolidating within this region, right? Price has been pushing up, hitting this resistance zone, coming back down quite a number of times, repeating that scenario. What that shows us is we are having indecision in the market, and that most likely the previous trend is to be followed. Why? Because the buyers are not strong enough to reject it. Okay, so when we came to this resistance zone, I predicted that we are going to be taking a sell for this coming week, and price is going to start to drop again to this price level. Why? Because we are still in the consolidation zone. We are still consolidating. I looked at the indecision candlesticks that we have, which is the doji that appeared right here, which shows that our price is most likely to drop. Why? Because there is indecision because of the doji, right? So we are going to be taking a sell this coming week, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Let's take a look at crash 500. Again, this analysis you also see it in the Thursday video. We'll be discussing the use of this indicator that you see right here, and I predicted that we're going to be taking a buy trade from this point all the way up to this, and as you can see, price is already moved in our direction. Price is already 3/4 in our direction, right? Again, proof that this analysis was done way before this happened. will be coming in the Thursday video, and you'll be able to clearly see what I'm talking about. However, let's see in the long run, this coming week, what is going to happen. We can see that price was coming from this region of support, and it respected it, and it started to push up. Right now, this is what we anticipate. I can clearly see that there's going to be a ceiling right here that price is going to target, and this resistance zone is going to extend. Price is going to be playing in this region for quite some time before eventually taking a sell trade, right? So be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, we're going to continue in this upward trend for Crash 500. Also taking a look at Crash 1000. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame, and we're going to check out possible trends that we have. So from the 4-hour time frame, I think we can see that we had this high and we had this low set, right? Price was moving about it, but as price was moving within this trend, it was setting higher highs. So probably our price is going to drop, break this low, to set up a new low somewhere down here. Okay, as simple as that. No trend line, just pure price action. If you also want to look at it in the daily time frame, you'll be able to see that what I'm talking about here is making sense. Can you see these highs? After this high, we broke the low. The lows will be the circles here. Let me make them circles. Okay, let me just make them rectangles again. But these are the lows. This low and this low. For this to be confirmed as a high, it has to cross and break this low. So we're expecting price to drop from this level, come back down, break the low, and then finally we have area where it can test support, which is this region, right? It's an area where we can test our support before making another decision. But as for now, this is what we have for Crash 1000. So it'll be crashing, going in line with the spikes, which is a good thing. Okay, now let's go to Boom 1000 room. Also, don't forget to check out the Forex Pairs video if you want to get some nice swing trades from Beat the Market Maker. Looking at Boom 1000, I'm going to start off from the 4-hour time frame as usual, because I want this to be weekly analysis, something you can hold for quite some time. Now, one can clearly see that this is what has been happening in the 4-hour time frame for Boom, with another major zone right here. Okay, so price sort of like was playing around this region and has been respecting it. So what are we going to do? We're also going to respect it. We're also going to go in line with it. It seems like most of our indices are going to be playing consolidation for a while and then take a major move, right? So for my 4-hour time frame, I can clearly see that this is the next best move to take this downtrend on Boom, right? Let's take a look at the daily time frame, and you see what I'm talking about. Here is the daily time frame. Can you see the consolidation happening? Being respected. We're seeing a cluster of even candlesticks. As you can see, they almost have even sizes. This is showing that it's about to turn, it's about to form a peak, and we're about to short, right? So we're going to short, and I'm also expecting the same thing to happen. After this, we're going to short maybe to this level. If it breaks this low, I know that we're heading down. So the first short is up to this level. You wait for price to break this low, and you also enter a short. That is if it all happens within this week before we get to our new analysis. Okay, as a bonus, we're going to look at V51s. There's an analysis that we did. This is just a flex so that you can see what we're talking about, so that you can see what we're talking about. So we are in a sell. We were in a sell. What happened with this sell? We managed to get the sell from at the peak level, right at the peak. I told people to short, and then we short. And as you can see, these are the profits that are currently running. This is the daily time frame. It's a very good analysis, and as you can see, it has some profits running right down here. So this is just a flex, so to speak, but we took a sell coming down from this peak. I used the same principle that if you are setting highs, if you are setting lows, let's say, and breaking them here, you set another low here, you break it, right? You set another low, you break it, right? Then and then we set another low here, and then we failed to break it. So now would be a good time to start taking profit. All right, guys, that is all for this week. Join our Telegram community, spread the word. Also, there's something great that is coming at ATG, so stay tuned at our Instagram and get the live updates on what exactly is happening, how best can we help you, and how best can you make money from forex trading. Until next time.